My name is Ed Masberg. When the war started, I was 13 years old. I had parents and two sisters, grandparents, uncle, cousins. I am the only survivor.
Never spoke about it in the house. Never wanted to talk about it before because it was too painful to tell it to anyone you loved. And if the children were born, grew up, never knew anything whatever happened to me.
My brother came right ironic to me and he started crying. I said to him, "Don't cry, in this place you don't cry." That's how I said it. I don't know why.
It was a blanket of snow. We recovered sometimes 6 inches. We said, hey, we're still alive, we're free, ready for anything.
They saved humanity. If it wouldn't be a few people like them, then you will think that there is no humanity at all.
From nowhere, who comes but Oskar Schindler? He was for real. He came for me.
We free, you free, you free. Coming from the way where the gate was.
A Russian colonel came on a horseback. I remember I started crying. And this was the end.
After a few days, the pain started setting in. You realize your mother and brother you won't see anymore. They're dead. While you are in it, you can't think about those things. You just try to survive.
Chaos, the tremendous chaos. People were running here and there. I was thinking going to Israel, to Palestine, but to whom, to where, what to do, how to start.
I wanted to bury this story. It happened, it didn't happen to me. It didn't happen.
He wanted to know the truth. You have the truth.
My oldest son, Larry, is a biochemist. And my youngest son, Michael, is a professor of mathematics. I have 7 grandchildren. And my grandchildren, are my answer to the final solution.
We were only speaking about what to do. How can we start living?
You see this whip? I was beaten by 4 men like this with this whip. I wish at that time I would be dead, because once you get killed, you don't feel it. I felt this. I feel this today. This is already 70 years. I never forgot this.